Now for our sixth contestant, sa kanyang moves and grooves, tiyak na raw ang kanyang panalo. Narito na si Richard Langa.
I was wondering if you could keep on because the force it's got a lot of power and it makes me feel like it makes me feel like that.
What's up? Let's give it up for Michael Jackson. Nakita nyo? Michael Jackson? Hindi, joke lang pala. Siya pala si Richard Langa.
Yes.
Langa.
Yes.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Okay, hinga ka muna. Woo!
Thank you.
Ang galing. Again, palakpakan natin si Richard Langa. Nakita ko yung ngiti ng ating mga audience. Nagalingan kayo? Yes. Kitang-kita naman natin. So with your performance, gaano katagal yung pag-e-ensayo mo para ma-perfect mo yung ganong routine?
Actually, since 2023 ko po siya na-practice Michael Jackson. Medyo mahirap po practicing yung mga dance moves ni Michael Jackson. So, mahirap po practicing. I just want to say, practice, repetition is only the key.
Words of wisdom, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, gusto mo bang tangkain turuan si chairman ng pagmumoonwalk mo? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Kasi nakangiti siya kanina pa habang pinapanood ka. Gusto mo bang tangkain? Charmaine, gusto mo? Siguro next time na lang kung gusto mo pang manalo tonight. Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, once again, Richard Langa. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.